Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to ChatGPT Plus subscription not working. If your Plus subscription isn't showing, one of these settings is blocking it. So first of all, check if you paid through Apple, Google or OpenAI website. Then ensure you're logged in to the same account that you used to buy Plus. Now restore purchases. Go to App Store and then tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, tap it once again and then go to subscriptions and restore your purchases. And on Android, go to Play Store and then go to payments and subscriptions, and there you can restore your purchases. Then restart the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe ChatGPT away and then reopen it. Tip: subscription doesn't transfer between Apple to Google account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.